Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying account type, because Outlook behaves differently for Microsoft accounts versus Exchange or work accounts. Once done, export a backup PSD or ensure contacts sync to the cloud to avoid data loss. Sign in at Outlook. Live, Com, or Office. Com with the account or admin credentials you will modify. Make sure to keep two-factor authentication available. You'll need it for security prompts. This prep prevents errors and speeds the change process. Now you add or change the address. For personal Microsoft accounts, go to Account Settings, Your Info, then manage how you sign in and add an alias. Choose Set as Primary once added. For Exchange or work accounts, use the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Navigate to Users, select the mailbox, and edit email addresses. Once changed, add forwarding rules so old mail reaches the new address, and update SMTP settings in Desktop Outlook if required. Finish by updating settings in your Outlook app. Adjust SMTP/AMAP or recreate the Exchange profile, then restart the application so changes take effect. You should send test messages from and to the new address and confirm incoming mail and contact cards reflect the change. If something goes wrong, clear cached credentials, remove and re-add the account, or contact your admin. These steps resolve most sync and authentication problems. Keep two-factor methods handy during verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.